What if you could turn this into reality just by typing a sentence? An AI video generator that turns your nothing more than a simple prompt. How to use VO3, how to write better prompts, and how to get the most out of it. Once you've signed up for a plan, head over to the address at the bottom of the screen and then sign in with your Google account. This drops us into the Gemini chat interface, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the prompt field along with a few different tools. Let's click on the one titled video, and that turns on VO3. From there, you can start typing in your prompt. Let's try one, a cinematic slow-motion shot of freshly baked chocolate chip cookies being pulled out of the oven. Then you could also offer information like, where is it here? I want it to be in a cozy sunlit kitchen. You could also talk about the lighting. I want it to be warm, what the focus should look like, any atmospheric effects like steam rising, and also if you want to include any music. The more details you provide, the closer the resulting video will match what you had in mind. Once you're done entering in your prompt in the bottom right, let's submit that. Let's now watch how it turned out. Wow, overall, that's really impressive. I did notice a few issues. For example, for whatever reason, some of the chocolate chips completely melted on top of the cookie. But overall, it matches my prompt really closely. I'm really impressed. If you wanted to speak specific lines of text, just include that text in quotes as part of your prompt. Right here, I'll type in my prompt, and at the very end, I call out that this is the narration. And then here I have all the text that I wanted to narrate included in quotes. Once you enter that in as part of your prompt, let's submit that. Let's preview how this turned out.
History is being made. The Kevin Cookie Company unveils the world's largest chocolate chip cookie.
That voice really fits the part. Once you're satisfied with the way your video turned out, it's really easy to download. Simply hover over your video. Then in the top right-hand corner, you'll see this download icon. Simply click on that and it'll download an MP4 file onto your computer. And that's it. You're ready to use your AI-generated video wherever you want. Since VO3 lives right inside Gemini, you can use the same chat to help you refine or improve your ideas before you generate the video. Now let's say I want to make a video about the Kevin Cookie Company baking the world's largest chocolate chip cookie, but I'm not quite sure how to word it to get that cinematic storybook vibe. Right down below, I could simply ask Gemini. So here I can type in, can you help me write a cinematic video prompt about a team of bakers making the world's largest cookie? Right up above. Gemini suggests a much more descriptive version. It includes things like the camera angles, the lighting, the background music, even the pacing. Now here I can take this as it is, and I can paste it into the prompt field, and then I can make tweaks to it to match exactly what I'm looking for. If we scroll down a little bit more here, I have another option, so I could look through that to see if maybe this is a better fit. And all the way down at the bottom, I even have tips on the types of things to include in my prompts to get the best results. So if you're ever stuck or you just want your prompt to sound more epic, just let Gemini do all the heavy lifting. Just look over on the left-hand side of the Gemini interface under Recent, and here you'll see a list of all of your past chats. And I see the associated video with that chat.
This is the best cookie I've ever sampled. Flavor, texture, everything is perfect.
Everyone agrees. Kevin Cookie Company cookies are the best in the world. Thousands are lining up for a taste of cookie greatness.